Hey, what is up, guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the best mortgage refinancing companies. What are the best companies that you can use in order to refinance your mortgage? Whether you're looking to maybe take cash out as a cash out refinance, or maybe if you're just looking at getting a different type of loan or interest rate, or whatever it may be. Again, depending on when you're watching this video, interest rates may be higher, lower. It all depends. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at here in today's video. What are the best companies to use for your mortgage refinance? And before we dive into anything, of course, I do want to mention, if you want to check out any of the companies mentioned here in today's video, you can check out those links linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the list. Now, first, I do want to take you over to this page here, done in partnership with money.com. We put together the most up-to-date list of the best mortgage refinancing companies. No matter when you're watching this video, you can go and check out that first link down below in the video description. That's BrandValesky.com/best mortgage refinance. And that will take you over to this page here where you can see the list of the top mortgage refinancing companies. And it is also specific to your zip code. So depending on where you're living or what market you're in, no matter where you're located, the list will be up to date depending on, of course, your specific location. You just type in your zip code and it will match you with the best lenders that are available to you in your area, what companies service your specific area. Now, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the most popular lenders. A lot of these companies do show up for a lot of zip codes, so do keep that in mind that, a lot of these lenders do show up for most markets, even depending on where you live. But if you do want to see the list specific to you, you can go ahead and follow along at that first link down below in the video description. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the number one spot here, which we have is Rocket Mortgage. Now, Rocket Mortgage, again, like I said, does service most areas and regions for mortgage refinancing and just your mortgage needs in general. They allow you to, again, as you can see here with mortgage refinancing, something to keep in mind is that, whether you can make your monthly payments more affordable or lower rates, or if you need to do a home repair, improvement, or other big project, right, depending on what you're going to be using the money from a mortgage refinance, or depending on what your needs are for a mortgage refinance, Rocket Mortgage can help you with that, right? So you can start a home repair, improvement, or other big project, and you can get rates and terms personalized for your unique needs. You can use their online tools that put the power in your hands, as you can see here, and they also have home equity loans available as well. I did also do a recent video on home equity lines of credit, or best HELOC companies. I'll leave a link to that video in the description as well if you do want to check out that video. These are more specific to mortgage refinancing. Specifically, I know a lot of you guys maybe are looking for cash out refinance or other different types of refinancing loans for your mortgage. So, and as you can see here, they do service almost all of its loans, and that is with Rocket Mortgage. So you don't have to worry about it being then resold maybe to another bank or something like that. So if we take a look here at Rocket Mortgage's website, as you can see here, they help with buying, refinancing, rates, and loan options. Now, in terms of refinancing, they do have specific calculators for refinancing. You can also compare rates, see today's rates, estimate your monthly payment, what that would look like with Rocket Mortgage as well. And in terms of the application process, as far as what that looks like, this is available at the link in the video description, and you can easily go through their process of seeing like what the best option is for you. If you're looking to use your equity, if you're looking to refinance, or depending on what you're looking at doing. Again, we're focusing here on refinancing for this video. If you're looking at refinancing, you would click refinance, and then you just go through the easy application process to see, what are the best options and savings that are available to you through Rocket Mortgage. Again, available at the link in the video description. You can check out the current rates. Again, rates are always changing, so do keep in mind any rates you may see in this video are always subject to change, and depending on when you're watching it, they are likely going to be different. I mean, the rates pretty much change every single day, so make sure you check that out at the companies in the links in the video description. Just get the most up-to-date information as far as the specific rates, right? So moving along, at number 2 here in the list we have is Loan Depot. So Loan Depot, they offer fast access to the funds you need, and they have a minimum loan amount of $100K. They have a minimum credit score of 640, and they offer cash out refinances as well as as HELOC options for a home equity line of credit. If you're looking for that in combination with your refinance, or if you're looking at doing a cash out refinance, they also offer that as well. If we take a look here at Loan Depot's website, as you can see here, you can get cash, so you can do a cash out refinance, a personal loan or a home equity loan, or even potentially lower your monthly payment by refinancing so you can free up cash flow. Again, if rates are lower than what you initially paid, then refinancing to a lower interest rate could save you money even after some of the closing costs. That's something to keep in mind. Or maybe if you started with a different loan type, maybe you started with something with a variable rate and you want to move to more conventional fixed rate mortgage, then that's another option that you could look into as well with Loan Depot. As you can see here, they have home equity loans, and you could get up to $45K or more, and that's in addition to the regular types of refinancing loans that you might want. But that's again at Loan Depot. If we take a look here at their application process, it's available at the link in the video description. This is what it would look like. As you can just select the type of loan that you need. So you would just select home refinance, home equity, new home purchase. In this case, most of you guys are probably looking at home refinance, and you just go through their easy application process. Moving in at number 3 in this list we have is AmeriSave Mortgage. Now, AmeriSave Mortgage, they pre-qualify online in minutes with no impact to credit. And you can compare multiple offers and rates, so it's a little bit different from maybe some other companies. You're able to see also accurate quotes and not estimates. You're able to see fixed and variable rate, conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, and jumbo loans are available, and they are rated #1 customer satisfaction by LendingTree, and no SSN is required to pre-qualify and view their customized rates. If you take a look at the AmeriSave Mortgage website, as you can see here, they do allow you to take cash out or do a home refinance. They have a quick quote, quick approval, and you can start saving money. Again, depending on when you got your mortgage, it might make sense for you to go with a refinance to see what your options are available. Again, they offer low rates on cash out refinances, second mortgages, and home equity loans. So you can see and get approved for the money and financing that you may need. Now, in terms of the application process, this is what it looks like. You just click here through their quick quoting tool, and you would just select, okay, I'm going to take cash out, or maybe I'm just going to do a more traditional refinance, right? Whatever makes the most sense for you in your case. And they do have a lot of employee testimonials that you can watch videos through and kind of get a good feel for their company. Moving along, next in this list we have is Magnolia Bank. Now, Magnolia Bank offers loans at just a 600 minimum credit score, and you can access your home equity with a cash out refinance, as well as refinance up to 100% of your primary home's value. And they've been an FDIC bank since 1919 with an A+ BBB rating, the Better Business Bureau, and they offer conventional FHA, VA, bank statement, and rental income only loans, and this is from Magnolia Bank. If we take a look here at their website, you can just select loan purchase or refinance, so you just select I want to refinance, and this is what their site looks like. Again, they are an older bank that's been around for quite a while. You can look at today's rate, purchase, under refinancing, different loan options. They also have calculators available, but all you have to do is select I want to refinance, and you can read through Magnolia Bank's site as far as what their process looks like. Moving along, last but not least in this list here today we have is LendingTree. Now, LendingTree is, I will say, the most different out of any of the other companies inside this list here today, because they are actually a network of lenders. So they take a whole bunch of different banks, whole bunch of different lenders, and put it all together in their one easy platform. So you're able to check mortgage offers, and they have a simple and secure process, and they offer personalized mortgage quotes with no credit impact. Of course, terms and conditions apply, as you can see here, but they offer a wide network of lenders, and it's a more wide network than just applying to individual banks one at a time. You're able to kind of see like, okay, how does LendingTree compare and across all different lenders in just their one application, right? So you come here. Now, in terms of the application process, you would just go through here. What type of property are you refinancing for a home refinance? You could do a single family home, townhome, or a townhouse, condominium, multi-family home, or manufactured or mobile home through LendingTree. So they offer different types of banks for different types of properties. In terms of their website, and they do offer a lot of other financial products. I know I've talked about them here on the channel before in terms of other types of loans. They also offer business loans and things like that. But for just home refinancing, you can compare multiple mortgage refinancing offers from different banks and lenders in just one application. So you're not having to, sift through as many. So you're kind of able to get matched with what may be the best option for you. And it's important to keep in mind here, again, these rates are subject to change. These are just the rates as of today's video. They do tend to change pretty much every single day. So depending on when you're watching this video, you may end up saving money. You can run calculators. A lot of these companies do have calculators for you to see if it actually even makes sense for you to go through the process. But it's worth applying, at least see maybe if it makes sense for you, and then maybe consider it in the future. Or if you need the money, if you want to do things now, it's totally up to you. Either way you want to go about doing things. Again, guys, that is the list here. That pretty much rounds out this video here of the list of the best mortgage refinancing companies. Again, if you do want to get access to this page, it's available at that first link down below in the video description. Guys, if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. But anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.